Have you ever wondered why most of the big semi-truck manufacturers don't just make engines themselves, like they do in Europe, where each brand produces their own engines? And what potential negative consequences it has for American manufacturers? Then don't worry, as we will give you the answer to why most American semi-trucks manufacturers outsource engine production. Focus on core competencies. Semi-truck manufacturers have extensive expertise in designing and building heavy-duty trucks, including chassis, suspension systems, aerodynamics, and overall vehicle integration, including factors such as load capacity, weight distribution, stability, and maneuverability, as well as shock absorption, articulation, stability control, and axle configuration. Semi-truck manufacturers also invest in research and development to incorporate safety features that protect the driver, passengers, and other road users, such as systems like lane departure warning, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, and much more. So, by outsourcing engines allows them to concentrate their resources and expertise on these core competencies. By relying on specialized engine manufacturers, they can access the latest engine technologies and advancements without investing heavily in engine development. Constant changing emissions. Engine technology is rapidly evolving, driven by increasingly stringent emission standards and fuel efficiency requirements. Engine manufacturers specialize in developing and optimizing engines for specific applications, including developing technologies like exhaust aftertreatment systems, selective catalytic reduction, diesel particulate filters, and advanced electronic control systems to minimize harmful pollutants. Fuel efficiency is a significant concern in the trucking industry due to its impact on operating costs and environmental sustainability. Engine manufacturers continuously work on improving fuel efficiency through various means, including advanced combustion techniques, optimized engine designs, reduced internal friction, and improved engine management systems. Outsourcing engines from those specialized manufacturers allows semi-truck companies to benefit from advanced engine technologies, improved performance, and better fuel efficiency without the need for in-house development. Cost considerations. Developing and producing heavy-duty engines for semi-trucks can be a significant investment. This includes designing prototypes, conducting extensive testing, optimizing engine performance, and meeting regulatory requirements, which is in constant change. As an example, Cummins has announced that in addition to recent investments in Fridley, the company is investing more than $1 billion across its U.S. engine manufacturing network in Indiana, North Carolina, and New York. Also, Cummins has invested $3.7 billion in the upcoming electric truck market, where billions is spent on research and development. Outsourcing engines can help manufacturers reduce upfront costs, especially for research and development, tooling, and manufacturing facilities. This approach enables them to allocate their financial resources more efficiently and focus on improving the overall truck performance and features. Diverse engine manufacturing. Another reason is that the big engine manufacturers have several advantages as they produce engines for multiple segments such as construction, agriculture, mining, and more. They therefore have enormous experience from several segments and industries, which gives them many advantages. This includes development and research advantages through diversified expertise, technological innovation, dedicated resources, extensive testing and validation, customer insights, and economies of scale, which is difficult for semi-truck manufacturers to compete against. So, it's better for them to collaborate with engine manufacturers through outsourcing, which can foster partnerships and technological advancements. Offer wider selection. By outsourcing engines, you have the opportunity to offer your customers several different types of engines, and thus a wider selection. Several American semi-truck manufacturers offer a wide variety of engine configurations, power ratings, and specifications, so you can choose for yourself whether you want a Cummins or a Volvo engine on the Volvo VNL as an example. This allows them to provide customers with a greater degree of customization and flexibility in choosing the engine that best suits their specific needs. By partnering with engine manufacturers known for their expertise, reliability, and performance, truck manufacturers can align their brand image with the reputation and strengths of those engine manufacturers. This can help them position their trucks as offering superior performance, fuel efficiency, or specific features associated with the engines they choose to integrate. Do all brands outsource? It's worth noting that while some American semi-truck manufacturers outsource engines, others may choose to produce engines in-house. Here, brands like Navistar International, Volvo, and Mack produce their engines in-house. On the International LT, you'll be able to choose the S13 or the A26, which is a self-developed and manufactured engine. However, it's in collaboration with the European truck brand MAN, which owns Navistar International. Also, Volvo Group is a leading manufacturer of engines for Volvo Trucks North America, Volvo Truck Europe, Renault Trucks, Volvo Buses, and Volvo Construction. In Europe, almost all brands develop and manufacture their own engines, where each brand has their own version of an engine. European truck manufacturers have a longer history of vertical integration and engine manufacturing. Some of these companies have been producing engines for decades, and their expertise and infrastructure have evolved accordingly. American semi-truck manufacturers, on the other hand, have traditionally relied on engine suppliers and outsourcing due to various historical and market factors, where big and well-established manufacturers have had such a big lead that it has not made sense for truck manufacturers to start their own development. So, the reason the American semi-truck manufacturers outsource the engine production is to focus on their core competencies, leverage advanced engine technologies and emissions expertise, reduce upfront costs, benefit from diverse engine manufacturing expertise, offer a wider selection to customers, and align their brand reputation with renowned engine manufacturers, as well as historical influence. These factors contribute to improved efficiency, innovation, and customization in the highly competitive trucking industry. However, relying on another brand can also have potential negative consequences, including reduced control, dependency on suppliers, limited differentiation, less influence on technology development, cost considerations, and the risk of supplier issues. What do you prefer? That manufacturers themselves develop and produce their engines, or they leave it to the larger and specialized manufacturers? This was everything for today. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for much more.